dark pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got...
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with westkisshair. They went ahead and sent me their 18-inch curly wave 13x4 HD lace frontal unit in a medium cap in 180 density of fullness. I'm living for the waves, and in today's video, I just showed you how I did my glueless install using this hair. I really love doing glueless on HDs because it just tends to give the wig a longer shelf life. I love the whole tapered vibe going on. The big hair is everything, and I'm in love. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and eat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You move like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. Used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that up. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and eat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Yeah, I see why your hearts I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
Break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul.
Okay mamas, so this is the final look. This wig is from westkisshair, and they went ahead and sent me this gorgeous curly wave 18-inch unit. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal unit, so as you guys can see, everything HD, and you can't even tell it's the lace. So far so good. I love that the fact that this is a medium cap, it fits really nice and snug, and it is 180 density of 18 inches, which is actually super thick. Like, this is so full. This unit is definitely giving all the vibes and more like tapered vibes, and I love it. I love the curl pattern of this hair. It's really nice and cute. I'm living for it, and especially for the fall time, I want to see my girlies pop out in some curly hair this fall. So if you are on the market to buy some curly hair or a curly wig, this is definitely the wig for you. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box, where I will have all of the info to this hair and WestKiss's website and so much more. So again, don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.